Imagine you're on the highway and want to move to the next lane. If the line between lanes is dashed and no cars are in your blind spot, you're good to go. That's your green light to switch. Correct answer? When it is safe to change lanes.
You see this bright yellow sign? That's your warning. A school zone is coming up. Slow down, keep your eyes peeled, and don't even think about speeding. A ticket here will cost more than your lunch for a week. A school zone is ahead.
All right, here's the deal. If the light is red, but there's a green arrow, that arrow is basically your VIP pass, but only in that specific direction. You can't just floor it straight ahead or turn wherever you want. Follow the arrow and you're good. Try ignoring it and you'll meet a traffic cop faster than you can say, "My bad." Correct answer, you may drive only in the direction of the green arrow.
When you see a speed limit sign, like 25, it doesn't mean you must always drive exactly 25. It means under perfect conditions, clear road, good weather, that's the maximum safe speed. If it's raining or icy, blasting 25 could still get you in trouble, and not just with the cops. Correct answer, the maximum safe driving speed under ideal road and weather conditions.
See that red circle with a slash? That's the universal "don't even think about it" sign. In this case, it's telling you left turns are off the table. Try it anyway, and you're basically asking for a ticket or a honk symphony from the cars behind you. Correct answer? No left turn.
If the lights go out and the intersection turns into chaos, don't panic. It's not a free-for-all. You treat it like a four-way stop. Everyone takes turns, first come, first go. Ignore that rule and you'll be playing bumper cars with angry drivers. Correct answer? Treat the intersection as a four-way stop.
Foggy day? Resist the urge to blast those high beams. It'll just bounce back and blind you. Low beams cut through the fog and help you see the road without lighting up a white wall of nothing. It's one of those simple tips that keeps you out of the ditch. Correct answer? Low beam headlights. New car, same driver, but don't assume it works like yours. Before you hit the road, take a minute to figure out where everything is. Lights, wipers, emergency brake. That quick check can save you from fumbling around like a rookie when it starts raining. Correct answer? Take a few minutes before driving to familiarize yourself with the operation and location of all the vehicle's equipment.
Traffic signs and road markings aren't optional. They're the rules of the game. Even if the road's empty or no cop is watching, you still follow them. Treat them like laws, not suggestions, unless you enjoy tickets and lectures from traffic school. Correct answer? Must always be obeyed.
Merging onto a freeway isn't about forcing your way in. It's about timing. Use your signal, match the speed of traffic, and find a safe gap. Think of it like joining a moving line. Too slow and you'll cause chaos. Too fast and you'll scare everyone. Correct answer? Signal, yield to existing traffic, and enter at the same speed that traffic is moving.
This sign's your warning to chill with the gas pedal. The road can get slick when it's wet. Even a light rain can turn that surface into a slide. So slow down and keep it smooth. Overconfidence here usually ends with spinning tires and regret. Correct answer, slippery when wet.
Whenever you see a diamond-shaped sign, treat it like a heads up from the road. It's warning you that something's coming, maybe a curve, construction, or other potential hazards. Ignore it, and you might find out the hard way what that something is. Correct answer? Warns of existing or possible hazards.
This round yellow sign with the big X and two R's is your heads up that train tracks are just ahead. Slow down, look both ways, and never try to beat the train. That gamble almost always ends badly. Correct answer? A railroad crossing.
A broken yellow line down the center is a dead giveaway. Traffic is moving in both directions. It also means passing is allowed if it's safe, but don't get reckless. Opposing traffic is closer than you think. Correct answer, you are on a two-way road.